Welcome to the hotel room. Hello. The bed. A microwave, coffee maker. And here they have a little fridge, little desk, ice bucket, there's the view. You can hang up stuff right by the door. Here's a closet. It has an ironing board, an extra blanket, an iron, and a luggage rack to hold your luggage. And then here's the bathroom. Sink, little cabinet with towels, hair dryer, and toilet paper. Toilet, and then here's the handheld, and then shower, the little bench. A little roll-in shower. Conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. Here's the pool. Here at Publix. Some of the things we got from Publix. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.